Listen up. You're living like you have two lives right now. One right now, wasted, weak, full of excuses, and another perfect one you'll start tomorrow, next week. Lies, and deep down, you know it. Let me guess your life. That gym membership you've once paid and used a few times, that business idea sitting in your notes for 2 years, still just an idea. That project you'll definitely start once you have all the resources. It's been years now. That person you keep meaning to call, still haven't picked up the phone. You know what you need to do. You've researched it, planned it, made lists. But when it's time to actually do it, I'll start next week. Next week is the biggest lie you tell yourself.
Dylan was 29 years old. Smart guy, talented. Everyone said he was going places, but he wasn't going anywhere. Had a finance app idea for 3 years, wrote 0 lines of code. Had a gym membership for 8 months, showed up 4 times. Had a girlfriend for 4 years, but was never really there. Had a 58-year-old father living alone, kept saying, "Next week, Dad." Next week never came. Then one Friday night, Jessica, his girlfriend, looked at him on that couch with his chips and Netflix and said, "I can't date a promise anymore, Dylan. I need someone who does things, someone who's actually alive." That hit different. 29 years old. What did he have to show for it? A job he hated, a body he neglected, a relationship dying, a father he ignored. Sound familiar? Dylan met with his old mentor, Kenji. Kenji taught him one Japanese concept that changed everything. Ichigo Ichie. This moment, only once in a lifetime. Every moment you're living right now, it dies when it's over. You'll never get it back. That workout you skipped today, dead, gone forever. That time with your kid you postponed, buried. That business idea you didn't work on, killed by tomorrow. You think you have infinite time. You don't. Your brain is tricking you into believing there's always later. But neuroscience proves something terrifying. Every time you postpone, you're literally training your brain to keep postponing. You're building a procrastination habit stronger than any good habit you've ever tried.
Here's what's happening in your head. Your brain has 2 parts fighting. The primitive brain, couch equals good, comfort equals yes, do that. The smart brain, work on your goals, think long-term, be better. Guess which one wins? The primitive brain, every single time. Why? Because it's faster, stronger, older. So how do you beat it? You don't fight it, you trick it. Kenji taught Dylan the 2-minute rule. Don't work on your project, just open the file. 2 minutes. Don't go to the gym, just put on workout clothes. 2 minutes. Don't write a book, just write 1 sentence. 2 minutes. Make it so small your brain can't resist. Because here's the secret. Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, you keep going. Physics 101. Objects in motion stay in motion. Kenji gave Dylan one challenge. Pick one thing. Do it every day for 30 days, no matter what. Dylan picked write 1 line of code every day. Sounds weak, right? Wrong. By day 12, Dylan came home at midnight, exhausted, looked at the clock, 11:47 p.m. His brain screamed, "Tomorrow, bro, you're tired." But he got up, wrote 3 lines, saved it, 11:55 p.m. He won. By day 18, he was working 2 hours on Saturdays, not because he had to, because he wanted to. The habit took over. 1 year later, app live with 500 users making money. Weight down from 95 kilograms to 78 kilograms. Relationship engaged to Jessica. Father lunched together every Sunday. What changed? Dylan stopped being someone who had dreams. He became someone who lived them.
Right now, you have a choice. Keep lying to yourself about tomorrow, or take action today. Not a huge action, just 2 minutes. Here's what you do right now. Pick one thing, the smallest possible version. Not start my business, open a blank document. Not get in shape, do 1 push-up. Not fix my relationship, text them, I love you. Do it for 2 minutes, that's it, just start. Do it again tomorrow, build the chain. Because this moment, ichigo ichie, it only happens once. Your father won't live forever. Your opportunity won't wait forever. You won't be young forever. Stop waiting for perfect. Stop waiting for Monday. Stop waiting for when things calm down. Comment below right now with your 2-minute action. Not your complete transformation plan. Just the first tiny step you will take today. Write it. Commit to it. Do it. Because every moment you wait, another chance dies. Tomorrow is a cemetery of dreams. Don't bury yours there. Now, do it now. This moment only happens once.